So friends, in this particular video, I'm going to tell you how to download statement from YONO SBI application. And as you all can see, this is the new YONO SBI version. So the interface might be different from the previous one. So I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, the very first thing you have to do is just simply open YONO SBI application in your mobile phone and complete the login process. Also, it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Now, once you open the application, all you have to do is you will get an option of account over here, as you all can see. Simply tap on view accounts. It will take you to the next page. You can check out your balance over here, and there is no other option. So select this amount, go to the next page, and over here select transactions. Now you can see I'm able to see multiple transactions, but there is no option to download statement. So if you go at the very bottom of this transaction, you get an option of view more. So tap on view more, and again it will take you to the next page. Now if you just want to check transaction, you don't want to download it, then you can select the filter over here. If you want to check statement, or if you want to check transaction for current month, last 3 months, or you want to select custom date range, you have that option. If I select last month, it will only show the transaction which was done last month. So depending on which filter you have selected, the transaction will be visible. Now if you want to download statement, you get an option of request statement over here. Tap on that, select duration, or you can select financial year. If I select duration over here, select the drop down, select a particular duration. I want to download statement for last 3 months. So I'm going to select last 3 months. Which format you want? As you all can see, there is Excel and PDF. I want PDF format, so which is already selected. If you want to include account summary, you can turn on this toggle. If you want to include nominee details in the statement, again you can turn on this toggle. For now, I'm just keeping it off. What is password logic? See, the PDF file which you are going to download is password protected. So what will be the password? The example of the password is given over here. Your password will be the first 5 characters of your first name, that should be uppercase, followed by your date of birth in DDMMYYYY format. Also keep one thing in mind, if your name is shorter than 5 characters, then the password will be your entire name. So both the examples are already given over here. Based on that, you can create a password for yourself, and you can check the statement. So everything is done. If you want the statement on email, you have email option, but if you want to download the statement, select download button. So now you can see the statement is already downloaded. If you are using iPhone, you can see the example is given over here, where can you check out the downloaded file, and for Android, again you can check the same. So let's go to files application. There is a folder of YONO SBI, select that, and now you can see what is the time. So this is the file which we have downloaded. Select that, enter the password, and you can check the statement. So I have entered the password, and now you can see I'm able to check out the statement. So all the details are given over here. So yes, this is how simple it is to download statement from YONO SBI application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.